that you love my mom because I love that you give me. I love that you give me rocks, Daddy.
Rocks?
No, walks.
Walks? Uh-huh.
And I love you because you said I'm your sweetie pie.
Oh.
And for being the luckiest daddy.
Is that what you're writing there?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. He'll love that for Father's Day, huh?
Writing.
Mm-hmm.